2024 Hyundai Tucson. With less than 43,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's equipped with many extra conveniences right at your fingertips, including cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, power liftgate, brake assist, keyless start. Find your dream car and drive it home today.